My gift wrapping supplies have always been a mess. Just ask my husband. All year it's the same thing, wrapping paper shoved into a laundry basket, gift bags, tags, and tissue paper crammed into a moving box, ribbons tangled everywhere, and no matter how careful I try to be, the wrapping paper always ends up bent or ripped before I even get to use it. I was so excited when the company sent me this gift wrapping rolling cart to help me get organized, so all of my supplies could finally stay in one place and actually stay in good shape. I know I have everything, but it never feels organized or easy to deal with. Every time a birthday or holiday comes around, I have to dig through everything and make an even bigger mess just to find what I need. Usually I have my husband build everything for me, but I was excited to get this set up, so I put it together completely by myself. It took me almost 2 hours from start to finish. Nothing about it was difficult or confusing. It's just one of those builds that takes time if you're doing it solo and making sure everything is lined up correctly. If you have a second person helping, it would definitely go a lot faster. It's a good project to do while watching a show or listening to a podcast and just taking your time with it. Once you get going, it's pretty straightforward and you can see it come together little by little. Everything feels sturdy, the drawers slide smoothly. That was important to me because this is something I use throughout the year, not just once or twice. Something I really like is that the cart is on wheels. When I'm not using it, I can just roll it into a closet and keep it out of the way. It doesn't take up much space and it's really easy to pull back out whenever I need. After it was built, organizing everything was the most satisfying part for me. All of my ribbons are easy to see and reach instead of being tangled together. I can separate gift bags by occasion, color, and size, and the smaller things like tape, scissors, and bows aren't getting lost anymore. The wrapping paper finally has a place where it can stand upright without getting damaged. I like that I can see all of my supplies at once without digging through bins or boxes. It makes wrapping gifts feel more manageable and less frustrating, especially when I'm short on time. This is what it looks like once everything is put away and organized. It holds so much more than I expected. The quality feels really solid. It's such a relief having everything in one place and not having to deal with the mess anymore.